Trying to come into VR chat and they saw this video. What do you wish somebody had told you?
Some people might not understand it until they get older, but generally, it's a lot more rewarding to be nice to people. You can get a lot more done in life if you randomly help someone change their tire on the side of the road than not. Because I'm gonna be honest, I have some real life stories from that, from me helping people, and randomly out of the blue, it randomly appeared again. That person helped me get a job and was the nicest person, and I do a bunch of work for them still. And it's just karma, if you will. It's nice to do good things for people.
And what about to trolls who think they're just having fun, but could actually be doing a lot of harm? What would you advise for them?
Have a little bit of empathy for the people that you're messing with and creating problems with. They deal with a lot on their daily basis, their daily life.
Mm.
We're weird, but I'm gonna be honest, we're not as weird as you.
And in here, weird is cool, right? Like, weird.
Yeah, weird is fine. You're original.